Surprise! Egg time! No way! 100 eggs? Sounds like something real fun is in there. Let's see. Ah! It's a bouncing ball. Wow! Not too much bouncing. Huh, 11. Wow! What is this? Wow! It's a helicopter. Spin it, spin it. Oh! Oh, wow! Yay! It's a ship. It's a tiny ship. Look at this. Do you want to know what's in here? Let's see. It's an awesome dinosaur and it happens to be a nurse. It's a dinosaur nurse. That's so cute. That is awesome. Oh, heart's open. What is this? Oh, wow. And yeah. What is this? Some Lego parts. I love Legos. Yay! Wow, what is this? Finally, it's a bunny. It's a very cute bunny with long ears. Aww, is this what I think it is? My little bunny? Aww, so cute and so shy. Oh, I'm shy. Wow, what is this? Alright, it's a Disney princess. Do you know which one? Post in the comments if you know who I am. Let's see. Oh wow. Oh wow, it's a cute little dog and this reminds me of my own dog. She is so cute, I'm guessing. This is she because it has a little red bow on her hair. And this is from the lalaloopsy teeny collection. Wow, what is this? Wow! I love this dragon, so cool! See you later, alligators! This changes. The tooth. Oh, look at this! It's an elephant. So cool. I wonder what's there. Let's see. Oh, wow. It's a little shovel. It's a little bucket and a shovel. For many tiny sand castles. Yay. Ready? Let's go. I wonder what this could be. Wow. It's a little kangaroo with a little kangaroo baby. Chup, chup, chup. Let's see what's in here. I hope it's something pink or purple. Oh wow. Oh, that's so cute. Can you see what it is? It's a little lalaloopsy unicorn and it's blue and has a cute pink ribbon. Wow! They're cute treasure stones to play or glue on stuff. Yay! They're so shiny. Oh, no way! Oh, it's a super cute lalaloopsy teeny and has pink tails, has awesome blue hair, and I love her skirt. She looks like a cheerleader, ready to go and have some fun. She's so tiny. Oh wow! It's a lalaloopsy teeny. It's a lalaloopsy and it has a cute pink outfit with a cute little pink bow and pink shoes. Wow! And her smile is just so cute. I love her eyes. And she is just so tiny and cute. Let's see! Wow! It's a capsule inside a capsule. And it's a... what is this? Oh, wow! It's a pink and yellow eraser star. Wow. That's so cute. I love to collect erasers. I have a huge collection and this is one of the new ones now. Ready for one more surprise? I am! Let's see what's here! Wow. Oh no! I'm wrapped! Oh wow! What is this? I see a head and some other pieces. Is that cheese? It looks like cheese. Let's see what's this. It's a baby giraffe. Let's see. Oh wow! What is this? Let's see. Wow! Oh, it's an elephant! One of my favorite animals ever. Oh, let me get this for you. I think this is like this. Oh, it's so cute. Yay! Let's see. Oh, this fell. Oh, do you already know? Do you already guess? Is this like this? Am I doing this wrong? Can this go here? Hello? Hello? No, really. Alright, I think I got it. You were right. It's a popsicle. It's a popsicle eraser. It smells like chocolate. It really does. Ha! Let's see. Wow! Oh, it's a baby dinosaur. On his little shell egg. On his egg. So cute. Oh, you can put it on your pencil because it's an eraser. Or you can put it here. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, wow. Let's see if we can do this. It's a vase. And an eraser. Sounds like something really small. Let's see. Wow. Scratchy, scratchy. It's a Halloween nail. Scratchy, scratchy, scratchy. Oh, wow. It's an eraser. Wow. And it's a pastel eraser. Oh, it's a little monkey. It's an eraser monkey. Hi. Oh. Ha! It fell. Ha ha ha. It's a hamster. It's a tiny hamster. Wow. Do you know what's the name of the story? You're supposed to spin it. Okay, we try. Haha. Very interesting. I'm not sure what this is. Wow. It's a cute dog in his house. Oh, so small. These are erasers too. Yay! For my eraser collection. I want to know. Oh, no way! Oh, how do I get you out? Oh, I love these things. It's an eraser yo-yo. Let's see if it works. Ooh, it works. Yay! You can take it apart too. See? Ha, you can take it apart and put it right back. Oh, wow! So cool. It's a little brush and some paint. Yay! So cool! I love to paint and draw. Let's see what's here. Oh, wow. Oh, dear. So many pieces. Wow! Hello, dudes. I'm here to go on my skiing trip. I have to go and find a mountain full of snow. See you later. Oh, wow! What is this? It's a lalaloopsy green unicorn pony. It's so cute and tiny, and you can make necklaces and bracelets, and I have a little collection of them, and this is one to my collection. See you later. Bye.
Wow. Oh, wow. So many pieces. It's a wolf. Wow, I love animals. Yay. Ah, it's a corn.
And this is an eraser. Let's see what's in there. Oh, what is this? It's so small. It's so tiny. It's a tiny little bird. And she's wearing a bow. Wow. Chip, 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 chip. Okay, let's open it. And what is this? Oh, wow. It's a super tiny bee. Zzz, zzz. So cute. Let's see. Wow. It's a tiny little piggy. Do you want to see? Do you really? Okay, I do too. Let's see. Wow, what is this? Wow, so many pieces. Let's see. And it's a spaceship. Or a satellite. What do you think it is? Post in the comments because I am not sure. Or a robot. Hello, my name is Toby. I am the friendly robot. No way! Is this what I think it is? Wow, it's a cool motorcycle with a guy on it. This is so cool. Let's see. Wow, it's a jeep, like from Jurassic Park. Get out of my way, I need to save some dinosaurs. Oh, capsule inside a capsule, and thankfully it was open. What is this? Oh, no way, I like this thing. I caught a bucket. It's a mouse from Tom and Jerry. A musketeer. Do you want to guess what's in there? Is it a ship? A ring? No? Okay, let's see what's in there. Wow, so many pieces. Wow, that's so cool. So it's a 3-piece, it's a little truck, and it has a boat. And it's been taken to the sea. This is so cool. Let's go to the beach. I wonder what's in here. Let's see. Wow. Oh wow, what is this? It's a tractor. I'm going to the farm. I'm going to grow some corn. Bye. See what's in here. And what is this? Some legs. Oh, wait a minute. There is something in there. Something else is in there. Oh, it's Popeye, I think. Hello, I am going to work on the ship. It's a sailor ready to go in pirate adventures. Oopsies. Okay, he went already to the adventures. I want to know what's in here. Let's see. What is this? Wow. Oh, wonder. Oopsies. What are you? Oh, do you know what this is? Post in the comments. Surprise egg time. Wow! Wow! It's a little horse, and it's winking. Wink. Woo! Let's see. Oh wow! It's a koala bear. Is it a koala bear? I think it is. Post in the comments. Nothing. Oh, that is something there. Oh, it's a spaceship. Oh, I know what this is. You do this. Ready? Yay! Woo! And there is a penguin! A singing penguin. Goodbye! I want to know what's in there. Oh, it's a tiny hamster. It's a little hamster. Chup, 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 chup. Give me some letters. Look at my tiny little ears. So cute. So soft. Tickles. I love hamsters. I wonder what's in there. Let's see. Oh, wow. Stickers. Wow, lots of stickers. What animal is this? Post in the comments. How about this? Do you know what this is? And the third one. How about this? Oh, we all know. Elephant, so cute. Oh, a kangaroo. See you later, mate. What do you think is there? Let's see. Wow, it's a koala bear with its own tree. Let's put it together. Oh, wow. Chip chip. Give me some bamboo leaves. Bamboo leaves for breakfast. What's this? Wow. They are stickers. It's a dancing koala. The stickers kind of move a little bit when you change your view. Change a little bit position when you look at them in a different direction or move them. I'm eating. No, I'm not. I'm eating. No, I'm not. Ha! Magic! Awesome! Oh, wow! It's a itsy bitsy. What is it? It looks like a sort of a spaceman. Sure, traveling the universe, looking for my spaceship. Let's see. What is this? Oh, wow! Think you can make it jump. Let's see. Oh, yes, you can. Let's open it now. Oh, what a joke! Haha, there is something in there. Yes, let's see. Wow, these are hard to open. Here we go. And wow, so small. It's a tiny soldier. There you go. As big as a fingernail. Save it for later? Okay. Ah, just kidding. Let's see. Huh? Oh, there is something there. Oh, it looks like a guy that is sitting by the beach. What is my surfboard, dude? Wow. Oh, wow. It's Sandy from SpongeBob. Wow. It's a keychain. SpongeBob, where are you? Bye. I wonder what's in here. Do you want to know? Let's see. Not sure what this is. Oh, there's a face here. Oh, wow. Let's put it together. Here, yeah, there. Wow, it's a teddy bear. Well, it's more like a bear. It's a bear. An eraser bear. Yay! Oh, wow. What is this? I wonder what this is. Aww. Do you know what's the name of this animal? Post in the comments. So cool. Let's see. What is this? Oh, wow. It's a lock with a key. Is that open? Oh, wow, you can open it. And close it. That's so cool. Let's see it again. Open and close. Yep. Pretty cool, right? Let's see what's in there. Ready? Go! Did I give you a hint? Wow, this is such a cool train. Let's see. What is this? Wow. Wow, it's a cool little car that is going to the beach. Let's go and make some sand castle, surf the waves. Goodbye. It's so small. Really tiny.
Wow. What is this? I am not sure. A ghost? Wait a minute. Let's put it together. No way! I love cows. They're so pretty.
Ready? What is this? What is this? Can you guess what this is? Oh, I know. It's an octopus. Yes, I'm an octopus. And you see? And that is a... Wow! Do you know what this is? Post in the comments! And what is this? Wow! See some dogs? Oh, wow! Let's go! Let's go! See? Wow! What is this? Oh, wow! Let's see if we can score a goal. Ready? Set? Oh, goal! Yay!
Oh, wait a minute. Something is inside. It's a gorilla! Yay! We did it! Yay!
Something big!
Meow, meow, meow.
Wow! That's a finger puppet. Meow meow.
Meow, 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 meow.
You didn't tell me to hot dogs. Oh wow! Candy! Gummy candy. It's a mini burger. Gummy candy. Yay! Let's see what's there. No way! I see. It's like a little treasure chest. Wow! And those are some flowers. And one more. Wow! Uh-oh. Oh, I guess it broke. But what's a character from Lion King? Can you guess what it was? Oh, you have to glue my head. You have to fix my head. Oh, wow! Wow! No way! Oof, oof. Oof, oof. It's a finger puppet dog. Wow! It's a cool. It's a surfer. It's a giraffe that happens to be a surfer because it's just too cool for school. Follow the waves, dude. Let's follow the waves. Wow! It's a cool. It's a surfer. It's a giraffe that happens to be a surfer because it's just too cool for school. Follow the waves, dude. Let's follow the waves.
Oh no! Ah! Not sure. Looks like an eraser. Oh wow! Oh, it's a dolphin. Yay! It's a cute dolphin. It's an eraser dolphin. I love to collect erasers. Yay! Let's see what's here. Oh wow! Wow, what is this? It's a dragonfly? Finally! Yay! It's a dragonfly! Let's see what's in here. Ready? Wow! I see. Wow! I'm cold! No worries. I got it all covered. Oh, thank you very much. Good day.
Wow, let's see what this is. Oh wow, many pieces. I believe we have a clue of what this could be. Yay! Finally, it's a car. Jeep, bip, bip. I wonder what's in here. Oh, no way. Wow. Oh, it's a cute little lalaloopsy mouse. It's a cute lalaloopsy mouse with awesome cute ears, and it has a little tail. I just love that little pink bow on his ear, and it's just so tiny and cute.
Wow, what do you think this is? Wow, so many pieces. Let's see what this is. I see a face, body. Wait a minute. Can you guess what this is? Aww, it's a horsey. Woo! It's a sitting horsey. I want to know what you're hiding in there. Let's see. Oh, it's a baseball. And a baseball mitt. Catch. Oh no. I wonder what you're hiding in there. Ready? Aww. It's a cute little piggy. Wait. Bye. Let's see. It's an eraser hamster. Too cool for school. Let's see. Wow. Wow, so many pieces. Can you guess what this is? Oh wow, it's a cute panda. He can even move his head. And an eraser too. Shake it, surprise, in there. Huh. Yay! It's a football eraser. Yay! Score! Huh. Let's see. See a leaf. Something red. Oh. Yay! It's a ladybug. Yay! Oh wow! So many pieces in here.
Wow!
Yay! A porcupine. Give me a hug. Hug me. No. Yeah.
Wow!
It's a ship. All aboard. It's an eraser ship. I love erasers. Yay!
Wow!
I wonder, what could this be? This will surely tell you what it is. A little cat. It's an eraser cat. Hello. It's saying hello or goodbye. Goodbye. It's time for us to know. Oh, do you know what's the name of this toy? You know you're supposed to land the ball right on top. And I was always really bad at playing this. So, let's pretend I did it right. There you go. Huh. Oh, wow. It's a little dog? I think it's a little dog. What do you think this is? This smells so good.
Wow!
What is this? hot dog, fruity gummy candy. Let's see. No way. What? Gummy hot dog.
Let's go. Let's see. Wow!
Wow.
Can you see this? This is a cute lalaloopsy, teeny, and I should say itsy bitsy lalaloopsy. And you can make jewelry with her or just play or collect them. They're so cute. Alright. What is this? Oh, wow, it's a tiger. Oh, it's an awesome tiger. There we go. And he's standing. Let's put it here so you can see how it stands. It's so cool. I feel like doing a magic trick. How about you guys say the magic words? Surprise egg time! Dance! Here are my fingers. Can you spin? Spin! Okay, enough magic for today.
I wonder what this could be.
Wow.
It's a little kangaroo with a little kangaroo baby. Chup chup chup.
Wow! Do not forget to subscribe if you want to know all the extra prizes we have. I want to know what is in here. I hope it's candy.